Hey guys, so my question was, why are sponges classified as part of the animal kingdom? Well, first off, what are sponges? Sponges are animals that are classified in the phylum Porifera. Sponges are important invertebrates that are asymmetrical. They pump water through their bodies and are sessile filter feeders. They have to filter organic matter and tiny organisms out of water in order to get food. Sponges also lack organs and do not have true tissue, which makes them the simplest of all animals. Their bodies are also made up of specialized cells that each have a specific function. Sponges are thought to be one of the most ancient forms of animal life on Earth. They were also once classified as plants, but upon further examination, scientists noticed that sponges barely have anything in common with plants. Unlike plants, sponges are not photosynthetic. They do not have cell walls, they lack chloroplasts, and they also aren't autotrophic. Here is a picture of a sponge, and you may have noticed that sponges are very diverse and come in a large variety of colors, shapes, and structural complexities. Now back to the question, why are sponges classified as part of the animal kingdom? Well, there are three main reasons to why they are classified as animals. One is that they are heterotrophic, meaning that they must ingest some type of organic matter for nutrition and energy. So basically, an important reason for this classification is due to the way that they feed. Sponges do not make or produce their own food in the way that plants do. They actually capture their food. Secondly, they are multicellular. And thirdly, because they do not have a cell wall. Sponges also have a lot of similar characters that other animals have. For example, they show coordinated movement. Evidence can be from how the Weller's freshwater sponge sneezes when it is agitated or has inedible ink poured over it. This shows that the sponge cells are sensitive to stuff that we use to activate our neurons. Even though they do not have neurons, sponges have the tiny ion channels that are required to make a neuron work. So here is a picture of the Weller's freshwater sponge. You may notice that it is a sponge that is of a smaller size than usual. And here is a simple diagram of a sponge. Because they are heterotrophs, the sponges do not make their own food. So when sponges feed, they beat their flagella on collar cells, and this will draw water through the pores in the body wall and expel it through the osculum. Thanks for watching!